This is how to play silaule. The original key of the song is the key of C, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of G sharp, which is this key. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by singing this song to you guys, then I'll break it down after. It says, silaule, silaule, ngoba ngabakho. And then siyahluleka, siyahluleka okwethu, thatha indawo yakho Jesu. Sithembe wena uluncedo lwethu. Okay, so let me break it down to you guys. This song starts right here on the chord of G sharp major, first inversion, this chord. From this chord, it comes to this one. Please pause the video and watch the chords closely. This one is C major, second inversion. From here, it comes to F minor, second inversion. F minor, second inversion. From here, D sharp major, second inversion. And then back to G sharp major, first inversion. Again, from the beginning, it starts here, G sharp major, first inversion. From here, C sharp major, second inversion. From here, F minor, second inversion. D sharp major, second inversion. And then back to G sharp major, first inversion. Okay? Before we move to the other part, I'm going to introduce the bass. When you hit the first chord, on the left you play number 1. Okay, this is number 1 on the key of G sharp, because on the major scale of the key of G sharp we have number 1. We have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and it repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so this is number 1. When you hit the first chord, you go to number 1 on the left. And then when you hit the second chord, you go to number 4 on the left. And when you hit the third chord, you go to number 6 on the left. When you hit this one, you go to number 5 and then back to number 1. Okay? This is where the song says, silaule, silaule, ngoba ngabakho. Right? So we're gonna move to siyahluleka. Okay? So that part starts right here. Okay? On G sharp major chord. I'm not gonna tell you all the names of the chords. If you want to know how to build this chord, you can just join our private community. You can see my WhatsApp number up there. Just send me a WhatsApp to find more details. The price is 1,500 Rand. That's for people who want to join our private community. Okay, so right now we are still busy with part 3. I'm going to post part 3 this week. So if you want to join, you can just send me a WhatsApp. Okay, so it starts right here on G sharp major chord. From here it comes to this one. From this one it comes to this one. From this one it comes to this one. Sorry, this one. Right? This is why it says siyahluleka. From this one it says okwethu, and then it comes to this one. Okay, This is D sharp major chord. From here, it says Tatindawo yakho Jesu. It comes to this one. And then you repeat it the same thing again for the second time. Sithembe wena uluncedo lwethu. But when you repeat it for the second time, you no longer come here, but you hit this chord. This is your last chord. Okay? Let's introduce the bass. So when you hit this chord, on the left you go to number 1, and then number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, I hope it's clear. You go to number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Right? And then you go to number 5, back to number 1. When you come to this one, you repeat the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then number 5, and then go to number 1. Right? I hope you can understand it. I'm gonna play the whole thing for you guys. Let's start again. Silaule, silaule, ngoba ngabakho. The same thing again. Silaule, silaule, ngoba ngabakho. Siyahluleka. 1, 2, siyahluleka okwethu, Tathindawo yakho Jesu. The same thing again. Sithembe wena uluncedo lwethu. Until we meet again, God bless you.